Alright guys, here is the next rendition of my Goldmine and CoCo collection. So today is going to be all about kits that I have and some of the newer things that she's been doing, which are like deco packs. Those are also included in this because to me after a while it seemed more practical to get the deco pack than the kits itself, especially since I have so many. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. So what I'm going to show you first is how her original kits used to be. So as you guys see, this is very small in comparison to one of her full-size, like one-page kits. Now this is still a one-page kit. That's what she always calls them. But this is how small they used to be. So, and I still have some. And now I'm thinking what I'm probably going to use these for is when I do my pre-planning in my A5. So here are a few of the ones that I still have left. So this one is called Papa Pink. I may not use this one. This is probably like my favorite of them all. This one is Miss Prissy, and that has Peyton on there. This one is called You Are Enough. Be Authentic. This is a Stay Home. That was a big hit. Funky Town, I remember this release. Drive the Boat. This was themed after one of her treasure chest sub box themes. Really love this. And I have I actually have a card stock with this print on it, and eventually I wanted to get it punched and laminated to make it a cover too. So cute. This one is called Driven Mini Kit. This one is called God Laughs. And then Grace. So that's how her kits used to look, right? And now they look way different. So in here will consist of not only some of my one-page kits, but also some of the kits that come in like her her treasure chest boxes. And some of them I have to like double and triple up because I really didn't have the space for them, especially once I realized that they fit so well. But now that I have a second one of these, I technically have 3, but I'm not sure if I want to have to put them all into another one or not. But I have 3 of like this size that these can fit in. So this here was one of her Christmas ones. And here in the beginning, I was just, you know, putting one on each side. It made sense. I had the room. And then eventually, as it goes on, I did not have room, and I had to start adding more. So here's a couple more. I think this was like a reprint of some. So like, I think this was surrounded like a box. This was like a reprint. Everybody loved it. I love her. Her name is Kia, I believe, if I remember correctly. Also love her. Love her freaking hair. My gosh. This one here, I think this was in the original self-care sub box. And if you guys haven't seen it, I did just recently haul that self-care box from Goldmine CoCo. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. So, yep. I remember everybody kept asking, are you going to re-release these stickers? Are you going to re-release these stickers? And here you can see she gave us the dolls that matched it. And this one was like one of the very first boxes that I got. This like color is just so popping. So bright, so colorful. As you guys see, I'm a bit of a hoarder. I don't use my stuff like that. I'm trying to get better though, I promise. Oh, also you'll find in this pile my Peyton subs. Peyton sub box also comes with like kit stickers. So you'll see Peyton thrown in here too. So I think this one was like last fall, if I remember correctly. As you see, we got Christmas up in here. So, yep. No judgments here. Also had, I think this is from that same one. This is for January 2021. So, I mean, I probably won't use that or do something to make that a 2. I could probably use this again, but that's neither here or there. So here's like Peyton. Oh no, that was Peyton Fall. So what was that one then? Dress to the P. So that was the theme. Okay, so this one is Fall Into It. As you see, we had September box. Don't judge me, y'all. Don't judge me. Okay. I be trying, but I think I was like buying too many things and that was really causing the drama, okay? All right, here. So these are back to when she first changed her kits to be like this size. So she really didn't have like names for them as you see here. But I know this was like the home one. That was also a home one. This one I got in like a grab bag. So I don't really remember when that one was released. And then here I have them. If I have multiples of these, I kind of like stack them. Is a ship. This one is a classic. I'm not even sure if I'm ever going to use that one because I love that one. Same thing with this one, Papa Red. Like, love that. And myself, they go our girl Jet, Boss Talk, love her. Boom, boom. I love this like chocolate color. Hopefully you guys can see this. Let me see how to zoom in just a little bit more. Okay. Remember these. Oof. Giving me these throwback feels, okay? This one here. Everybody was in love with this girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And her too. Everybody loves her. Her name is Perspective. I still haven't used her either because I'm like, nope, not using her. I need to get one of her laminated or something because listen. Okay, here go my girl again. And this is like the Christmas one I remember. This is Valentine's Day when she came out with these. And I did use like one or two of the Valentine's Day one. This was the New Year's Eve 2021. Here's some more Valentine's Day. Then here, this is the, this was the full figured, I can't remember the name of that collection, but this was like her full figured women. This is that collection here. Okay, this was an old drawing. This one is supposed to be, is this Felicia? I think this one is, or is that one Courtney? I can't remember. Don't forgive me. All right, here's another one of the sub box kits here. Let me get some more. As you guys can see like the whole color theme. I think this was like last fall, if I remember. You see, I use some of the girls and I use some of the stickers. I be trying. Okay, then these, I actually ordered this around the time of the election, but mail was still super ghetto. So, it's pretty much going to probably be here just for nostalgic reasons. I probably won't. And even though I'm not an AKA, that was really the one thing I was like unsure about getting it, but because she is an AKA, I felt like I should get it. But 9 times out of 10, I probably will never use this one especially. But I think I used this sticker in my spread to kind of mark that the inauguration was happening. Because that was the hope, was to have this and to plan it. And I had already planned it out by the time I got this stuff in. Here's some more of that self-care. So a lot of these are all self-care stickers all up in here. Boom, boom, pow. Boom, boom, pow. And then back here, we got these in one of the sub boxes. These like felt shapes here. And then this one sticker that's back here. I should have forgot it was back here. Uh-oh, sticky. I think when they were doing the like Zoom party, they came out with these stickers, and yeah, I still have them. Don't you judge me, judge your mama. Okay, so that's all the ones that's in the book. And then this is the pile of everything that's not in the book. So you'll probably see some repeats. You'll probably see like, oh, I just recently seen that haul or whatever the case may be. So yeah, I'm gonna just kind of go through these pages just so this video is not a million years long. Here's some of the fitness ones that I had. I was looking for these for the longest, could not find them. Then I found them. And this one I think is, I think this one may be a part of her black. Don't give me a line. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna just keep flipping. But I love these. I love this peach. Love it. Oh, you know what? I think this is one of the Peyton subs. This is what this is. Peyton sub. Yep, Peyton sub. Here's a motivational, so this is more of that fitness one. See, I actually used the majority of that one. I'm proud of myself. Proud. All right, so this next one here, these are some of the scripts that came in one of her treasure chest boxes as well. For the summertime, this was like peach theme, but it was all about like budgeting and finance. So I'll make sure I'll link that video if you guys have not seen it. But that was the scripts that came with it. And then these are all of the actual kits that came with that one. Let me zoom out just a little, just a tad. This one was such a cute theme. Such a cute theme. Such a cute theme. Okay. And here's the girls. Now this here is her Juneteenth collection that came out. Again, I was already planning stuff and I was like, oh, maybe I can use it. But ultimately what I decided is that I'm going to just do this for next year. So I had some of these and I'm going to use these for the monthly, but I may use one of these for a spread as well. This is like the Deco pack that I was talking about. I did get like one. I think this is the only kit that I got. I really love her. But I mainly got like the Deco pack. And then this was her monthly kit for her. It's size for her monthly and her daily planner specifically. But I did get that. And then here, this is like the 90s and our Paris, springtime in Paris theme one. So here are some of those styles. I think I showed this in my doll collection as well. This is all Petty. Yes. And I'll be using y'all real soon. Yup. So I did get a couple of the kits. Actually, or did I get all of them? I think I may have gotten all of them, mainly because it was Paris. But yep, Paris. And then here is the 90s one. I don't know what that was. Like, this was such, I love this release. Love this like dual release. Favorite freaking movie. I'm about to go watch that joint for real. Like, yes. Yes, I'm getting ready to start singing songs. Let me hurry up and get up out of this. Then here's the Deco pack for the 90s. And what I do like about her Deco pack is that, like, on this page here, you get the boxes. And that's how I'm normally used to planning. So these Deco packs, to me, makes a little bit more sense because I can use those in the way I normally plan, you know? All right, so here's the Paris Deco pack. Here's a couple of her Faith ones. This was a Shiro. This was her Planner Girl. It's all mixed in. More 90s, Planner Girl. Planner Girl, Planner Girl, Planner Girl. I got two of them because what? I love the girl. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. Already know. Yep, more Planner Girl. This one is one of her Faith ones. That's Faith. This is a Planner Girl Deco pack again. Then this is the Faith Deco pack, which made more sense to me. I'm not as religious as some others, but I felt like for me, it just made sense to not get all the things if I'm not going to use it, especially when it came to that. And then this was a like exclusive freebie that she came out with. I thought was so cool. And here's more of the Shiro. So I got a couple of the Shiro sticker kits. Love it. And this is Deco pack. Yes. So that was that whole pile. Hopefully you guys, listen, if it was too fast for you, I just say slow down the video because I didn't want this video to be a million years long. So yeah. That is all of the stickers. All right, and that's all of the kits. I hope. We'll see. I may have some more that I may come across as I'm going through stuff. Like I just found some more Peytons and some more dolls. But you know, that's neither here or there. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you like this sort of thing, I'm going to link the playlist here for you guys to check out all of the other collection videos that I have posted already of Goldmine CoCo. And I think just stay tuned, because I think there are a few more things that I have to show. But if you like the video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on your bell notifications so you know anytime I upload. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.